Okay, good morning student. In this session we are learning about the microbes and farming. See how the bacteria present in soil and root nodules of the legume plants are useful. We have to see the so many Fabaceae family plants is present in the root nodules. See, we have to take a groundnut plant. It is a groundnut plant. We have to see the groundnut has a which root? Tap root is there. See, dicotyledon. And here is a leaves is there. Small leaves. See this like leaves also present. Next we have to see the here small leaves is forming. Okay, here also. Okay. See this like leaves is forming, and here is a small flowers also is there. Flowers. See this like flowers. Okay. Now we have to see the these root has a root nodule. See this like root nodule is there. In the root nodule has a which bacteria is present. Bacteria is present. See, not only see, we are taking example is a groundnut. This one groundnut. But see, we have to see the number of plants. For example, moong, udad, soya bean. See this line. It is a see here is this is a root nodules. In the root nodules is a we are calling root nodule. In the root nodule, what is present? This one rhizobium bacteria. Rhizobium bacteria. See, this is a rhizobium bacteria. What is the main function of the rhizobium bacteria? See, this plant leaves is taking the atmosphere to nitrogen through root to water. Through root to water. See, through root to water plus minerals. See, these root water and minerals is transporting towards the root nodules, and see they are taking the nitrogen from leaves to here. See what will happen? Here is a rhizobium bacteria is a preparing the ammonia. See, ammonia is a preparing and giving to the ammonia to these plants is a growing and production of the protein rich food substances. See this bacteria. See, it is a this plants is a giving to the these bacteria to shelter, and see these bacteria preparing the ammonia and giving to the this plant. The plant is a growing the healthy. Say ammonia is a preparing in this plant nodules. Okay. So it is a useful. We are calling the leguminaceae plants. Okay, next we have to see the microbial and inoculants. Inoculants. See, some microbes are containing the inoculants are and prolongated by process of fermentations. some microbes is a containing the inoculant are prolocated by the process of city fermentation. The inoculants are separated, sprayed on seeds before the sowing, and some of the inoculants are released into the plants. What will happen? Before sowing the seeds, we are spraying this inoculant on that seeds. What will happen? See, in the seeds, on the cotyledon or cover, see, is there any microbes? The microbes will be die. See, it will get the plant is growing the healthy. It is a more resistant to growing that plant in that land. See, that's why it is before sowing the seeds, they are applying the chemicals on the surface of the seeds. We have to see the so many. Our government is providing the subsidy seeds. See, before sowing, they are applying. See, microbes in the inoculant help in plant growth by supplying the nutritions. See, this is a plant is a inoculant, seed is a giving to the supply the nutrition to the plant is growing the healthy. They are improve the quality of vegetation food. For example, we have to see the farmers is sowing the seeds in their field. See, last year the grain is keeping for the seeds. They are sowing the seeds same in their field. What will happen? It is not growing the properly. See, it is not getting the sufficient nutrition. If you sow these subsidy seeds or bag seeds, what will happen? It will be grow the healthy, and we are getting the more production. Yielding is more because of they are applying the chemicals to that seeds. Next, we have to see the solution containing azotobacters and artificial nitrogen is used to the organic farming. So it is a solution containing what is azotobacters. Solution containing azotobacters and artificial nitrogenase is used to organic farming. Is used to organic farming. Organic farming. Next, we have to see the soil pollutions occurring due to the chemical fertilization in the prevent due to use of these solutions. For example, nowadays number of farmers is using the chemicals. If you using the chemicals, what will happen? It is we are getting the land pollution. Why? We have to see the number of organisms is dying. The organisms is helping to us. For example, we have to see the earthworm. Earthworms we are calling the friend of the farmer. But earthworm is secreting the nitrogenous waste through their body and keeping the roots is a moisture. What will happen if you adding these chemical fertilizers to our land? What will happen? The organisms will be dying. So many organisms is dying because is adding the chemicals in our field. See, farmers should avoid to the using of chemicals. See, if you using the chemicals, it is harmful for human beings also. They are consuming these sprayed or chemical rich food substances. They are getting the number of diseases. We have to see in our surroundings so many members is getting the chronic diseases because of they are using the excessive chemicals in their food substances, vegetables, food grains. See, that's why it is a so many members is a doing the organic farming. See, they are using the manure, adding to their crops. See, they have to they want to keep healthy. Next, we have to see the fluorosotamides, like the chemicals are mixed with soil due to the pesticides in agriculture. See, these prove to be harmful to the other plants and animals as well as cause skin diseases to human. See, we have to see the so many members is spraying to their crop. They are not wearing the specific dresses, are not wearing the mask, gloves. What will happen if all these chemicals on their skin, they are getting the skin diseases also. That's why we have to take the precautions while using the chemicals. Next, we have to see these pesticides in the soil can be destroyed with the help of microbes. See, I already said, see, these microbes is a destroyed, see, the help of chemicals. Next, bioinsecticides. Okay. Next, we have to learn the bioinsecticides. Bioinsecticides. See, bacteria, fungal, toxins which can destroy the pests, and pathogens can be directly integrated into plants. See, with the help of biotechnology. With the help of biotechnology, see, it is a bacterial, fungal, toxins which can destroy the pests, and pathogens can be directly integrated into plant with the help of biotechnology. We are using the biotechnology and we have to destroy these pests and pathogens. Next, being toxic to the insect and they do not consume the plants. See, we have to see the toxins is there. Is there toxins in that plant? What will happen? Is it consuming the insect? No. Next, similarly to bacteria and some specific fungi, viruses useful as pesticides. See, these are a bacteria, virus and fungal. See, it is a helping to the useful for the as a pesticides. Say spinosad and byproduct of the fermentation of the biopesticides. See, we are using the bioinsecticides for the controlling the pests and pathogens on our crop. Say, it is a prepared from the biotechnologically. See, this like using, and the farmers are give to the awareness in the society. Say advertisement, we have to give to the televisions, electronic and print media, and giving to the awareness to motivate the to do organic farming. See, it is a social media, and the central and state government also motivate to them. Say doing the organic farming.